Are you ready? Ooh, look at that tongue going. Yeah, I put the cereal down. Okay. Here we go. Mmm. And try again. Again. What do you think? Yeah, you got it. Should we put a little more in? It's rather soupy. And I think it's working, guys. Just like that. What do you think? Yeah, you're happy with this idea? Yeah. Gonna eat that instead? Let's move that out of your mouth. Take that out. There you go. There you go. You're happy with this idea, huh? You want some more? Yeah. It's all falling all over. More? What do you think? More, please? Yeah. No? There you go. Here, let me take this out of the way. Let me take this out of the way so it stops going in your mouth. Can we do that? Or you're going to grab this spoon instead? I think somebody might be okay with this idea. You got the spoon. Okay, the spoon, please. Yeah, give me the spoon. Get this off your neck. Okay, I remember why I gave you the toy. Here, you hold this. Yeah. Getting good? Under? Yeah. What do you think of all this? What do you think of all of this? You want to say anything to your fans? Hi! Yeah. Hello, little feet. Give you a little bit more. Sorry for the crazy bug bite on your nose. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera off. Say bye-bye.